Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send money from Trust Wallet to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Okay guys, before I will start, I will tell you that Cash App only supports Bitcoin, so Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency you can send from Trust Wallet to Cash App. So first of all, you need to copy your Bitcoin wallet address from Cash App. You need to click this bank icon on the bottom, and you need to open Bitcoin. Scroll a little bit down until you will see deposit Bitcoin. So you need to click deposit Bitcoin, get your Bitcoin address, and copy your Bitcoin address from Cash App. Then you can close your Cash App. Go to the Trust Wallet. Once you will open your Trust Wallet, you need to have your crypto in BTC. If you don't have it in BTC, you need to swap it. Just go to swap and swap any cryptocurrencies into Bitcoin. Alright guys, first of all, swap your crypto into Bitcoin, and once you will have Bitcoin on your balance, then you can send your Bitcoin to your Cash App. So click Bitcoin, click send. In the first gap, you need to paste the wallet address we just copied from Cash App, and here you need to enter the amount of BTC you want to send. For example, 0.005 and click next, finalize the transaction, and you will send your BTC to your Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.